Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize security awareness training with Proofpoint, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into the Proofpoint security awareness training platform. Once logged in, navigate to the training dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the available training modules and resources. Select the Create New Training option to begin setting up your course. Choose a training topic that aligns with your organization's security needs. Consider topics such as phishing prevention, data protection, or compliance training. Customize the training content to fit your organization's specific policies and culture. Incorporate real-life scenarios relevant to your employees' daily activities. Next, adjust the duration of the training to best fit your audience's schedule. Utilize engaging multimedia elements, like videos and quizzes, to enhance learning. Once your content is ready, set up a schedule for when the training will be conducted. Define the target audience for your training module, ensuring it reaches the right employees. Utilize the built-in analytics tools to set key performance indicators for success. Launch the training module to the selected employees and ensure they receive notifications. Track participation rates through the platform's reporting features. Encourage feedback from participants to improve future training sessions. After the training is completed, review the analytics to assess employee performance. Identify any areas for improvement and adjust the training content accordingly. Repeat the training regularly to keep security awareness fresh and up to date. Implement ongoing assessments to measure knowledge retention over time. With these steps, you can effectively optimize your security awareness training using Proofpoint. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.